How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to do an oil life flight reset on a 2021 Acura TLX, all trims. So since I'm doing it a little bit early, it's not displayed yet on the instrument panel, but if it was, you would start from there. Since we aren't, and it's a little bit early, we're going to use a scroller right over here to scroll up or down. And right there. Now you're going to press and hold the button right over here. I'm gonna keep pressing. Gonna take about 15 seconds or so, and there you go. So at this point, I'm gonna do all do items, but if you wanted to do one in particular, you would use a scroller again, up or down. Like I said, I'm gonna do all do items. I'm gonna press it now. And there you go, oil life reset. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos just like this one.